Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina, and we're TNT RV.
So last we spoke about propane safety. This video, we're going to talk about propane convenience. Specifically, how much propane's left in my tanks in our RV. Mopeka Pro actually is what we have here. And our friends introduced us to this old system back 5 years ago.
Yeah, Vic and Kerin with the Real Weekend Warriors 2.0.
Yep. And Vic, he's a real gadget guy. And he showed me this and I'm like, oh man, I need it. I'm sick of throwing water on our tanks and trying to figure out where the frost line is. So we now have an upgraded version, the Mopeka Pro. So let's go check it out.
Yep, come on.
Alrighty, before we get started, a big shout out to Mopeka for sending us out a couple of the Mopeka Pro sensors. And inside the package, what you have is this nice new round sensor. You get a couple aluminum feet, and then they give you a sonic grease that you apply to the bottom right here on this rubber to help with the sonic wave that measures the propane in the tank. They also give you nice, easy instructions here to sync this to your phone. Here is our old system. These are the old sensors. Here's a remote gauge that I have as well that I purchased. I also had the halo rings that fit on the bottom of the propane tank. And I just so happen to have a 30-pound propane tank here. And what I wanted to show you is with the sensors, you're going to need to add the feet, possibly. Depends on what how the dome is. Right now you can see this is kind of close here, and you don't want to squish the bottom of your sensor like I did in the past with this here. So that's the purpose of the aluminum feet there. Or what you can do is purchase these rubber halo rings and you put that on there, and once that's on there, it will then raise it enough. It also protects your propane tray from getting scratches and stuff in it and rusting. So I really like that as well. Let's get started with the install. I'm going to show you how to sync the new sensors to your app. All right. So here's our propane tank cover is off. Our bottles are off. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to disconnect our gas stop valves. We're going to loosen up the tanks here. Then I'm going to lift this up and I'm going to sneak one of our bottles right out of here. Alrighty, so we noticed once we removed the tanks, it's a little bit rusty. So I actually got some CLR and I'm cleaning that up. And then I might lube this up so it prevents further rust. So we've got the tray cleaned up, and now what I'm going to do, I have some fluid film, and I like this stuff. I put it everywhere there's exposed metal to help prevent corrosion. We have our trays cleaned up. Now I'm going to put the halo on the propane tank here, just like that. Now I got to grab our Mopeka sensor. Real quick here, I've got the Mopeka app on, and it's super easy to sync this. All you do is you press and hold the sync button. Look at that. New LPG device. Empty. Well, it's empty because it's in my hand and not on the tank. So here we have our battery, the quality of the signal, which is 1 through 3 stars. And we have our Bluetooth, great signal there. And here's the neat thing, you have sensor position, and as you see here, see this? If I turn this, you could get this nice and level. Look at that. So, I don't know if you can see that.
I don't know if it is or not.
But at any rate, that's another neat feature on this. So let's put this on the tank, and we're gonna need our sonic grease here. So right here we have our sonic grease. We're going to just put a little bit on there, just like so. That should work. Let's set this down. I'm going to turn this over. I'm going to get this right on the center here. And once we put it on Ellie here. We're going to take a look and we're going to see how level it is. All right, so we have the sensor installed, batteries full, and it, by the way, comes with the CR2032 batteries already installed. We have 3 stars in the quality, so that's good. Bluetooth signal is perfect. And then let's go ahead and go down to sensor position. We are zeroed, so nice and level, which is good. Now we're going to go into the settings here. We're going to call this passenger, SENGER, side. Of course, we're United States. 30-pound vertical. It was set to 20, so it is a 30-pound propane. And we are at propane. Sensor update rate. This is another thing I really like. So instead of updating every 10 seconds, you could max this out all the way down here to 30 seconds. So it'll help save the battery, even though they claim that the battery lasts up to 2 years, which is pretty incredible. And then alarm threshold down to 20%. So once it reaches 20%, it'll notify us. So that's the settings we're going to have there. And we're actually at 21%. So I knew we were getting low, wasn't exactly sure how low. So let's go ahead and install the other side and we should be in good shape. As you can see here, we're at 100% on the driver's side. And say you wanted to change that setting, what you can do is come over here and they have a percentage indicator if you would prefer to have centimeters or inches. So then if we go back, 15.3 inches of propane left in your system. I prefer to just have it set to the percentage wise, and we're going to change that back over there. The other thing I wanted to show you is, say I have this app on my phone, Tina doesn't, she's in the kitchen or whatever, wherever we decide to put this, they have this little remote indicator here. I have the left side already set, and here you can see it's got the LEDs to tell you that we're full. The right tank or passenger side tank, I haven't synced that yet, and I'm going to show you how to do that next, right over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold this down, and it's going to start flashing like that. Then we're going to reach underneath the tank here. We're going to grab the sync button. We're going to press that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and there it is. There you go. So this is all synced up now to our tanks. We can put this in the kitchen somewhere, and we'll now know we won't need to grab our phone. We'll be in good shape.
Yeah, because we don't have our phones in our hand.
Not always. Alrighty, we're all set. 100%. 22% on the passenger side. Big shout out to Mopeka for sending out the Mopeka Pro tank sensors. Really appreciate the support there. And if you're in the market for the Mopeka propane tank sensor, I'm going to put a link in the description along in the comments as well. I hope you found this video helpful, useful, entertaining possibly, and if you did, I appreciate it if you'd subscribe to TNT RVing.
Yeah, give us a big thumbs up, a like, and we will see you at the campground.